Heavy gauge construction provides even heating performance. Pan Dimensions Embossed On Handles, no toxic coating, no more coating chips fall into your food unconsciously. Easy to clean, feels sturdy when holding in hand, not easily warp and long service life. Smooth roll edge, no rough spot, superior mirror finished surface, easy clean. Deep full sides all around keep food contained and prevent liquid from flowing everywhere. All-purpose non-stick biscuit brownie pan provides even, heating performance. Cleans up in an instant, true size for precise baking results. Handles allow easy grip of pans. RecipeRite is constructed of heavy-gauge steel that provides an even heating performance, baking experts prefer for perfectly browned baked goods. The non-stick coating makes food release and cleanup a breeze. 5-year warranty. Dimensions, 11x 7 inch. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality bakeware, easy clean. I purchased a Wilton jelly roll pan, large cookie sheet, a few months ago and really like how easily it cleans up, so I decided to replace several bakeware items with Wilton. This pan is the perfect size for brownies and small roasted items. The benefit is the easy cleanup without rusting. I even use bartender's friend cleaner on my Wilton pans to get rid of the residue and they come out practically new. A great buy.